Okay, everybody, good morning. This is Hank Jones. I'm coming to you live on Hound Dog Day 2018.
Oh, Hank Dog.
Yeah, I'm here with May Flowers. She's going to be my assistant here on, what do you call it again?
Oh, Grant.
Hound Dog Day.
We're trying to figure out if the winter's over or not.
I know. We got to figure that out. I just had a few too many this morning, so I'm forgetting already.
Oh, that cough was too strong, Hank.
I know. I put some, you see, I have myself a cup of coffee, but it's spiked. I didn't tell anybody.
Hank, honey, I told you not to do that.
All right,
please.
take it away, would you?
Please,
take
Hank.
it away, would you? Well,
stop it.
It's February 2nd, 2000.
Oh, Hank, 2018.
18. I always forget the year in the beginning of the year.
I know.
We got together here because it's time for Crazy Carney Kelly to decide how much winter we got left. You believe this is already here?
It's been years, Hank, since we've done this together. Oh, my man, I love you, honey.
I love you too, sweetheart. It's been a while since we've done this.
But we can do this.
We're going to do it.
Yes.
And off to the side is our assistant, Micheline McGillicuddy, who's going to present to us Crazy Carney Kelly.
Oh, we've been waiting all morning for this.
I know.
Come on, Michelina. Oh,
thank you. Oh, okay, here she is. She's inside, so
she's moving around, Hank. Can I do it now, Hank? Hank, honey, please.
Oh, wait, we got to knock on the box first.
Okay, go ahead.
Wake up.
Oh, Hank.
Here she is.
Here she is.
It's Crazy Carney Kelly, the Hound Dog. But she doesn't look much like a hound dog, does she?
No, a little dirty and stuffed,
Yeah,
but we expected that.
Yeah, she's been in the box for 364 days.
Little sucker.
Look at this thing. Oh, my. All right, so now, the moment of truth has come. Will Crazy Carney Kelly see her shadow? And how much winter do we got left?
Oh,
what
do you think?
Well, May, I want you to present her to the people. Bring her right there so she could be seen on the camera. There she is. She's Crazy Carney Kelly. She's waving all you. Okay. Now, hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. On this, the second day of February 2018.
Oh, Hank, 18. Hank, please.
Crazy Carney Kelly has seen her shadow. Which means we got 6 more weeks of winter. Oh, it's disappointing, isn't it?
Very disappointing.
It truly is.
You know what? Let's put this sucker back in the box. I'm disappointed in that.
Shove her in the ground for another year, you useless thing. I can't believe there's another 6 weeks.
Oh, Hank, how are we going to do this? We're just going to have to snuggle up my little buttercup.
Okay, we don't want to get too...
frisky.
I'm getting a little excited here on you. We're live still.
Oh, Hank, I think you better go now.
I know.
Signing off.
It's nice seeing y'all. We'll see you back here again in 2019.
See y'all.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. See y'all soon.